Hey there, fruit lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of delicious and healthy fruit recipes. So, let's get started with our first scrumptious treat. Watermelon Pops. Simply slice up a juicy watermelon and place it on a tray. Freeze for about 30 minutes, then insert sticks and freeze again for about an hour. Voila, refreshing watermelon pops that are perfect for a hot summer day. Now, let's move on to our second recipe. Strawberry Ice Pops. Blend frozen strawberries with orange juice until smooth, then pour the mixture into ice pop molds and freeze. You can even add some edible flowers for an extra touch of elegance. Next up, we have a fun twist on bananas. Banana Sushi. Peel a banana in half lengthwise to create 2 thin slices. Insert sticks, roll up cucumber slices and pineapple bits, and voila! You've got a colorful and tasty snack that looks like sushi, but is actually healthy fruit. Lastly, treat yourself to some refreshing pineapple slices with mint leaves. Simply arrange the pineapple slices on a plate, garnish with mint leaves, and serve up this tropical treat with a spoonful of whipped cream for an extra touch of indulgence. Thanks for joining me on this fruit-filled adventure. If you enjoyed these healthy recipes and want more tasty treats, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, happy snacking!